Have you ever seen an atom? Seeing as everything's made of them, you have, but have you ever seen one on its own? Over time, microscopes have become more and more powerful, allowing us to see deeper into the world of the ultra-small. Traditional light microscopes can be used to see things like these onion cells and the structures within them as they divide, pulling apart their chromosomes. But scientists have come up with a whole host of clever methods to observe far smaller things. Using beams of electrons instead of light, we can generate detailed images of chromosomes themselves. Recently, groups of scientists around the world are becoming able to see materials at the most fundamental scale, the atomic. One group from the University of California in Los Angeles have been getting up close and personal with nanoparticles of platinum, just a few nanometers across.